Alright, good afternoon everyone. Today is Monday, the 7th day of July. It's 7/7/14. It's the 7th day of July, 2014. And our results today were kind of off. I mean, I don't have a color for it. I mean, you guys, anybody that's been here for any length of time knows I have my little color code chart down here, where green means we got our 2 points for the day and we ended positive. Yellow means we ended positive but didn't get our 2 points for the day. Blue means we got our 2 points for the day and we gave it all back. Red means we never got our 2 points and we ended negative. Today is a white day. I decided to make it white because we didn't get our 2 points and we ended break even. We were +6 on the Russell, -7 on gas, and +1 on gold. We took 13 trades today and we ended the day with a gross profit of exactly where we were when we started the day, at $1,232.50. That is for the month of July. Okay, for the month of July, $1,232.50. All right. So after you apply the commission to the 13 trades that we took today, if you apply an $8 round turn, you'd have a net profit of $752.50, and if you apply a $5 commission, you'd have a net profit of $732.50. Okay. That's what we have on the day. You can see, last month. Well, let's just go down and do month by month here. We did January 6,027, February 6,042, March 5,335, April 7,555, and May 53, 57, and 50. And in June we did just $3,952.50. Okay. That is where we stand. Let's see. That's it for that. I'm going to slide that off to the side, and I want to show you guys now how to get into the how to take the free trial. Obviously, you know how to get into the live trading room, but I want to show you how to take the free trial. Let me load that page up here. And while I'm doing that, let me slide it over. This is the thing you have to fill out to actually get into the live trading room here. But to take our free trial, if you have not taken the free trial, go to www.cfrn.net and put in your name and your email address and click register for a free trial. Once you've clicked register for a free trial, you're going to get a link sent to you. It's a confirmation link. You got to put in a valid email address, because if you don't, then you'll never get that confirmation link. All right, so put in a valid email address, and you get that confirmation link. And click on the link, and then we'll know you took the free trial. Okay? We'll know you took the free trial at that point. So then when you click that and we know you took the free trial, we'll send you a couple of emails. One will be an email telling you how to get into the live trading room with all the links. There'll be videos in that first email that basically go over or outlines the indicators that we use and stuff like that. You're going to be sent a second email. Yeah. No, Jim, you don't have to. But you'll be sent a second. You'll be sent a second email that says, what does it say exactly? It says exactly in the subject line. It says CFRN DT Pro Ninja chart setup and trade setup details. Please watch the video. If you watch that video, you'll be a little ahead of anyone who doesn't watch the video who's on the free trial when you get into the free trial, because that video will go over in the live markets some of the trades. Okay. It goes over the trade setup that we do over and over and over again. So you'll see it before you even get into the live trading room. All right. All right. So that's that. Now let's go over the trades that we actually took today. We'll start out with crude. Let me just look here. Yes, we took some trades on. Wait, no, we didn't take any trades on crude. Sorry, I was looking at the wrong sheet. Did we? Yeah, we took a trade on crude. We took one short trade on crude. We had a little bit of audio issue this morning when we were getting in, so we didn't see this right here. Okay. Yeah, there was no trade in here because the cycle was moving up. That's why I wasn't looking at that, because the cycle was moving up. And then we were just range bound, right? Now my original range was not this low. My original range was up here, like that. And you see over here we got a down close below it, and then we took the short on the down close below it, and we took our stop to break even after 4 ticks profit, and a close below the MA1, and it took us out at break even. Then the range got extended just a little bit to that, and we never had another trade. Alright, you see how it just moved up right here? It just moved up right there. That's what it is. Alright. Let's see. Hang on. Alright. The next thing that we'll do will be gold. Alright. In the gold, we took a few trades here. Let's see. We started out with the gold. We were plus 9 ticks on this first trade right here. We took the down close below the trend line. And then there was another trade right here. That was a break-even trade, obviously. Down close here. Hang on. There was a down close right there. We got to break even on that. We were looking for it to put in a lower swing, and when it did put in the lower swing and the green line got down into the cycle right here, then we expected a pullback. Alright, as the green line gets into the cycle, this is what you look for. You know, when you have this divergence between the green line and the cycle is red and blue down here, and the green line is obviously green. You look for the down close. And once you get the down close to confirm the direction, you look for the green line to get down into the cycle. When it gets down into the cycle, the move is usually pretty much done. Okay? And you get another opportunity. You get another shot at it. That's what we had right here. Unfortunately, this time the green line went down a little bit. We had a little bit of profit in the trade, moved our stop to break even, and then it finally got down into the cycle right there. And we're expecting another pullback, and we got the pullback. But this time, it was a big pullback, and it pulled the cycle up with it. Alright, so we changed directions, and we got long over here. Now, I was telling everyone in the live trading room that we needed to close below this box right here to drop down to here. We never got that close. What we ended up doing is drifting back up to the prior swing high right here. And there were guys in the room that wanted to know if we could go long right here, and I was saying, you want to wait until you get a close up above this box. And that's good, because it would have either been a break-even trade or a stop out. Still, it's not really doing anything right here. There's really not that much happening there on gold. In a year and a half, this is our first break-even day in a year and a half. Anyway, so on the gold, we ended plus 1 tick. Okay, let's do the Russell next. Alright, so we had a few trades on the Russell. Alright, our first trade was right in here. I thought we were going to get some profit on that, and then the thing was just whipping back and forth across the BBC and in and out of the zone. See, between here and here is a half an hour. Between there and there. We had a break even on this trade, and we stopped out on this one. This one stopped us out pretty close to the tick here. And then it went down where we expected it to go. I mean, if it had gone straight down, it would have taken me out at break even anyway. So, it's no big deal. We ended up getting stopped out on the Russell on that particular trade. Okay, so we're minus... Actually, my stop wasn't in the right place on that one. It went through my stop. No, it would have gone through an 8-tick stop too, but I only had a 7-tick stop on that because I got slipped into the trade. But anyway, we're minus 7 at that point. And then over here, we took the trade on the down close below the trend line. We got 1 tick on that, so we were a minus 6. Then in here, we took this trade, and we took 10 ticks profit on this. We were at plus 4. Then in here, we got a break-even trade, and in here, we got plus 2. I think that put us at plus 6 on the day on the Russell. We missed a couple of momentum trades in here, and we did not take this long trade right here. Okay, and I explained it all in the live trading room. Since then, it's been pretty choppy in here. Been pretty choppy. We got a bullish cross, tested the BBC with an up close right there. This right here, after putting in a higher swing right here, higher than this high, putting in a higher swing right here, I would have taken this long trade right here. I would have stopped out at break even, but I would have taken the long trade. Either way, that's where we ended on the Russell. We're plus 6 ticks on the Russell. Now on the ES, again, really, really choppy. Not a lot of volatility, not a lot of movement. There was one trade on the ES, which was right here. It gave some profit. It would have taken me out at break even, and it went down. I don't have an ES DOM open, so I can't trade the ES, but that's where that was. Let's see. So I've done the Russell, gold, crude, the ES. Let's do soybeans. Yikes. On soybeans. We took one trade on the soybeans. It was over here. Pretty early on, it was an up close above the trend line right there. Okay, up close above the trend line. And we ended up taking a break even on that. Okay, as the green line got up into the cycle, we did not put in a higher swing, so we stopped trending on the soybeans. I had drawn in this bar down here, this box, saying we needed to close below that. You can see we got down to it, but didn't close below it. So, sadly, that was all we did on soybeans. We were break even on the beans. Natural gas. I think natural gas is all we have left. Alright, on the natural gas. This first trade right here on the natural gas, we lost 8 ticks on. I should have had my stop at break even in here after it went 4 ticks into profit, but I think I slipped into it and I only got 3 ticks profit on it. My next trade was down close below the trend line over here. It took forever for this trade to work out, or to do anything really. But once we got the close below the trend line, the close below the MA1, I moved my stop to break even and it took me out at break even. Then it pulled back some and eventually it went in the direction we wanted it to go. Once it put in the lower swing over here like this, it pulled back again and closed down below the trend line. When it closed below the trend line, this was right at the end of the live trading room, so I just locked in 1 tick profit. Okay, with a 1 tick profit. And that put us at break even on the day. We were -7 on the gas. -7. Alright. That's it. That is it. Well, there were other things. If you become a partner, you learn about other trade setups that happen. And I did take another trade setup in here, but it wasn't during the live trading room. It was after the live trading room. This is a 164 trade right here on this down close, right there below the black step line. And I took 10 ticks profit on that. You can see I ended with plus 3 ticks after being -7 in the room. So I told everybody in the room that I will end the day positive. I was in the day positive. It's just a matter of ending the live trading room positive because, we only have 2 hours. Alright. So that is that. Now, let me bring the spreadsheet back up so you can take another look at that if you want to. Here's the spreadsheet. Here's the spreadsheet. And you can see we're up $1,232.50 a contract in the 4 days that we traded for the month of July. $1,232.50 for the 4 days we traded in July. If we were to bring this other thing over here, I'll show you how to take the free trial again. Alright, here's the free trial thing. If you go to CFRN.net, put in your name, your email address, click register for a free trial, you'll be sent a confirmation link. Once you get that confirmation link, you need to click on it. Okay? 13, Jim. Once you get that confirmation link, you need to click on it, and then we know you took the free trial. Okay? Then we know you took the free trial. Once we get that, you'll be sent all the stuff that you need. Alright? Everything that you need to sit in our live trading room, download the charting platform, apply the indicators, build your own workspace, do all that stuff. Okay? So guys, that's it. With that, I don't know if we have David in the room yet, but let's see. We do not. But we're going to head back out to Phoenix anyway. Going to head back out to Phoenix, and I'll pass it all back to Dwayne. Alright? That is that.
All right. Very good. Thanks, Mike.
All right. Thank you, Dwayne.